I will teach you how to use Upwork Connects like a pro in 3 minutes. Last year I spent $4,700 on Connect. I'm on the same track this year, with $1,000 worth of Connect in the previous 90 days. So far, my proposals got a 42% viewership, a 5% conversion rate, and 32 secure jobs. In this video, I will guide you on avoiding wasting a single Connect and winning the most promising jobs. To start the game, you need at least 1600 Connects. I will explain the math later. So we purchased the Connects and are ready to start betting on the jobs. What game strategy should we follow? Well, the lowest number of Connects required to apply for a job is 10, but it's always 16 for the most prospective. Thus, 1600 Connect is something like 100 unboosted proposals. What number of jobs can you expect to get from them? In 2023, I was mainly sending unboosted proposals and got 33% viewership. 641 of my proposals were viewed, converting 9% into 58 jobs. These days, the prime positions are always occupied for those who boost. So the viewership of unboosted will be even worse. You will get 25% at most. It means that sending 100 proposals will result in 25 views, and with a 9% conversion rate you will get 2 jobs. 2 jobs are not that bad. But the problem is when you send a lot of proposals, your criteria for filtering out the best jobs should be stricter. These 2 jobs can become a short-term project, or you aren't a good match with a client. If you want to play this game as a pro, you need to bet heavily on jobs that have the biggest chances to be long-term and high-check collaborations. That's why I don't waste my Connect on jobs that don't pass the promising job check. Here is my checklist. High average hourly rate paid, high average check, sane feedback rating, no bulk hiring or pricing offers, no asks for free work, clear and specific job description, no AI job description. If the jobs meet all the criteria, I boost it to 32 Connects or even more. I got 42% views of my boosted proposals in 2024. So if you send 50 proposals each with 32 Connects, you can expect 21 views, and with 9% conversion, the same 2 jobs secured. But here is the thing, these jobs are not equal. These are the selection of the best, cream of the cream. These clients will likely stay with you longer and pay a high check. And that's all from me for now. Follow the channel to get more videos like this. Now I recommend you to steal my golden Upwork cover letter, which made me $140,000.